I'm in Barnes and Nobles and I gotta whisper this message, but I gotta share it with you. So every day, there's like a river of creativity that's flowing from God all the time towards us, giving us ideas, giving us insights, trying to show us the path that would lead us to our ultimate success. That river is always flowing, always. And the idea is to tune into that river. How do you tap into that frequency of ideas that are flowing from God? Well, anyway, I want to show you one of the dumbest ideas in history that all of us have probably heard of and that made the creator a boatload of money. But their idea was not better than yours. I promise you, you have a better idea. So here's the pet rock. So I'm about to leave the store and I see this pet rock, which I have talked about in a lot of my seminars before. But I don't know if you know the history of it. So this guy named Andy Dahl, him and some other guys were sitting around a bar and they were talking about pets and how pets are messy and how they sometimes are not obedient. They're just hard to maintain. And so while they were talking, one of them came up with the idea, this guy, Andy, came up with the idea of a pet rock. And that a rock would be a lot easier to take care of than a real pet. Long story short, that idea became an invention. And this pet rock right here, if you look inside the box, they actually packaged this idea into an idea that ultimately sold millions and millions. And even today, this was invented, I don't know how many years ago it was. It was a long time ago. I mean, how dumb is this? He created the Pet Rock Manual to show you how to care for your pet rock. Look, a manual that actually teaches you, look, this is ridiculous, where to put your pet rock, how to take care of your pet, how to teach your pet rock tricks, like roll over and play dead. I mean, come on, man. This is the manual for the pet rock, a place of its own. You got to be kidding me. Excuse me, y'all. I'm in Barnes and Noble, so bear with me. I'm turning to the next page. Your pet rock and you know your rock? Oh, you got to be kidding me. Know your rock. Get to know your rock. This is ridiculous. Initial training. Your rock is an individual. This is ridiculous. Look at this. A pat of approval works wonders. This is too ridiculous. That guy actually went on to form a company called Rock Bottom Productions. I mean, how crazy is that? So what I want you to get from this is that every day there are ideas flowing towards us. Any one of them that you would capture and actually do something with it. I actually like the way this is sitting here now. Actually do something with it. This is crazy. Here's the actual rock itself. It's crazy. So the idea is this, packaging something. I've been doing this for a long time, and I understand the power of packaging. If you don't package something, you can't sell it. There are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of books in this store. And the only difference between this book and the books that you don't have or I don't have is that we haven't packaged that book into something that somebody can actually buy, that they can read, that they can take home, that they can underline, that they can digest it and meditate on it. So I just wanted to share this with you real quick because we don't suffer financially or otherwise because of a lack of money. It's a lack of creativity. It's a lack of ideas. It's a lack of being tuned in and recognizing the opportunities and the ideas. And many times what happens is that we just write off an idea. We think it's dumb. We think it's stupid. Well, it's not dumber than this. It's not dumber than a Cabbage Patch Kid. Nobody needs those things. So the next idea you get, start asking yourself the question, what if? What if? What if this is a $1 million idea? What if this is an idea that can transform somebody's life in some way? Be dumb enough, and I'm sorry if that offends you, but be dumb enough. Get back to the age of 14 when you didn't analyze everything so much, and you're going to start seeing success in your life in a whole nother way. I'm a creator. I created Circle of Champions, created Circle of Champions University, created Women in Business Network of America. I have a high school education. I never did well in school. Success is not about how well you do in school or how many facts you fill your brain with. Most of it comes down to being courageous and sometimes foolish enough to believe that you can change the world or that an idea you have can really make a difference. And one of my latest inventions is called the Believer's School of Business. I'm going to teach believers. If you're a born-again believer and you love God and you want to create something amazing, then this school is for you. It's called the Believer's School of Business. I want to encourage you to register for it. It's free. What it's going to do is it's going to unlock your creativity and help you to see the world in a brand new way. We get so fixed in our thinking that we just can't even see the opportunities. Sign up for the Believer's School of Business. It's going to rock your world. No pun intended.